I was visiting the hospital campus and I stumbled in the parking lot and I landed on my shoulder and I knew I was hurt. I could hear car engines and I was starting to panic. I was by myself and I did have the West Jeff Hospital information in my cell phone. And they put me through to guest services and Katie answered the phone, one of my saviors as I call her. She said, "Do you want me to call 911? And I said, "No, I'm actually standing up, but I can't, I knew I was hurt." I said, "If you could just send help." She said, "Someone will be there." So I told her where I was in the parking lot. And sure enough, here comes someone with a wheelchair, and it was Annette Jeremy from guest services. Annette actually helped me, and she brought me to the ER. It is kind of reassuring because of the way they do deal with you on a person-to-person basis. Even the lady that took my information, she was very calm. You know, she told me, "Don't worry about being rushed. What you can get to in your wallet, take your time. I'm here for you." And I was actually still shaking because I knew I was hurt. Annette had to even help me get my wallet out of my purse. And she actually helped me get situated with being admitted into the ER. And I was fortunate enough they were able to take me right away. Once the nurse came in, things did progress well. And I said, "I do not know how you're going to get this shirt over my head because I cannot move my right arm." She said, "Do not worry about that. I will be able to get that shirt off of you." And she did, and she never hurt me. Her mannerism was very calming. She walked me through everything she was going to do, even down to the x-ray where they took me. So they walked me through everything. They did nothing to me that I was not prepared for. And I broke like 2 or 3 bones in my right shoulder, and everything was like in different places. Within 2 weeks, I was in surgery. Even going into the ambulatory, that morning I had to be there at like 6 o'clock. I walked in, they were ready for me. And next thing you know, the anesthesiast came in and said he's gonna do a block on my arm, and that's all I remember until I woke up. So, which is good, which is good. I actually have what they call an aluminum ball joint and a titanium rod in my arm and shoulder. I am going through physical therapy, and it's doing well. I can write, but my penmanship has changed, and I'm right-handed. But guess what? My left hand works really good, so.